Welcome to Wikipedia Voice, your destination for all things AI. In this video, we will be exploring the use of artificial intelligence in various industries and its potential implications. From healthcare to finance, transportation to retail, and even manufacturing and agriculture, we'll take a closer look at how AI is being used to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and make better decisions. But we'll also delve into the potential implications for jobs and society as a whole. In healthcare, AI is being used to improve patient outcomes, increase efficiency, and reduce costs. Applications include image recognition for medical imaging, natural language processing for electronic health records, and predictive analytics for personalized medicine. However, there are also concerns about the accuracy and fairness of AI systems, as well as the potential for job loss in the healthcare sector. In finance, AI is being used to improve risk management, detect fraud, and automate financial transactions. Applications include natural language processing for financial news and social media data, and machine learning for predictive analytics and algorithmic trading. However, there are also concerns about the potential for AI systems to perpetuate or amplify existing biases and the implications for job loss in the finance sector. In transportation, AI is being used to improve traffic flow, optimize logistics, and develop autonomous vehicles. Applications include computer vision for object detection and classification, and machine learning for predictive analytics and control systems. However, there are also concerns about the implications for job loss in the transportation sector and the legal and ethical issues surrounding autonomous vehicles. In retail, AI is being used to improve customer service, optimize inventory management, and personalize shopping experiences. Applications include natural language processing for customer service chatbots, and machine learning for product recommendations and predictive analytics. However, there are also concerns about the implications for job loss in the retail sector and the implications for privacy and security. In manufacturing, AI is being used to improve production efficiency, optimize supply chains, and develop smart factories. Applications include computer vision for quality control, and machine learning for predictive maintenance and control systems. However, there are also concerns about the implications for job loss in the manufacturing sector and the implications for safety and security. In agriculture, AI is being used to improve crop yields, optimize resource usage, and develop precision farming. Applications include computer vision for crop monitoring, and machine learning for predictive weather forecasting and control systems. However, there are also concerns about the implications for job loss in the agriculture sector and the implications for food security. It is crucial to ensure that the development and deployment of AI systems is guided by ethical principles and that there is ongoing research and monitoring to address any negative consequences. As AI technology continues to advance, it will be important to consider the potential impact on society and take steps to mitigate any negative effects. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more informative videos from Wikipedia Voice channel.